Hi, everybody. So, hopefully, you already reviewed the vocabulary words for the coronavirus article, and you also did your definitions and you read the article again as well. So, let's move on to the webbing page. So, the questions that we are answering today is what? So, what did we read? Who did we read about? Where did we read about? Why do we read about this article? Why are we reading about this? And when? When did this happen? When is this happening? Okay, so we're going to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. And our options are down here. So you guys are going to be cutting these options out and then copying or gluing them on to the correct boxes. And you guys know how to do this because we do this every week at school. So let me move the camera a little bit. Okay, so the options are now, many people are sick, world, doctor, and coronavirus. So we always answer the what because that is in the center of our webbing and it kind of helps us answer the other questions that we have. So the first question asks, what do we read about? What do we read about? And if you can't remember, that's okay. We can always review our article. But if you do remember, what we read about was the coronavirus. And so parents, families, if you want to pause this before I give the answer, just as a reminder, more than welcome to do that. If you can ask your child or the student, what do we read about? And then pause the video. Anyways, okay, so we read about the coronavirus. So let me move that over here. Coronavirus. And so remember, coronavirus is a new virus that is spreading very quickly, makes people sick. We will go to the WHO next. So, who is part of all this? Who is, I guess in this particular webbing question, who are the people helping people who have the coronavirus? Who is someone that is working at a hospital or maybe someone you can call in a medical field when you are feeling sick? And the answer to that is a doctor. If you are not feeling well, maybe you have a fever, maybe you have a cough, remember, or any other symptoms. It doesn't have to be coronavirus related. You might want to go see a doctor. And at the hospital, it's not just doctors. You have nurses, you have different hospital workers. Lots of people are at a hospital to help you, but a doctor is usually someone that you'll see. A doctor and nurse are two people that you'll usually see at a hospital. If you or someone you know would happen to be sick or happen to have the coronavirus. Where is the coronavirus happening? So where is this occurring? The coronavirus is occurring in the world. So the coronavirus, I want you guys, I totally forgot to do this earlier, but we're trying to say things in full sentences, right? And so we're going to say the coronavirus is happening in the world. Doctors are helping treat coronavirus. Okay, let's go to the when. So when is this happening? When is the coronavirus going on? Did it happen in the past, a long, long time ago? Did it happen now? Or is it happening, going to happen in the future? So it is happening right now. The coronavirus is something that is occurring right now. That is why we are not at school. That is why a lot of businesses are closed because they don't want people to get sick. And so we're trying to protect each other. Last is, why did we read this article? What was the point of reading about the coronavirus? And it's just so we know that many people are getting sick. So in San Francisco, we have a few people. Right now in New York City, a lot of people are getting sick. And so we are trying to prevent that from happening. Because if it happens too much, then there won't be enough doctors, there won't be enough hospital beds, there won't be enough equipment to help us. Okay, so I hope that helps. These are the answers. What do we read about? Coronavirus. Who is helping us? Doctors are helping us. Where is this happening? This is happening in the world. When is this coronavirus happening? It is happening now. And why is it important to know about the coronavirus? Because many people are getting sick.